Good afternoon everyone. Today we discuss right to equality, that is Article 14 to Article 18. Article 14, the Constitution of India. The state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. Article 14 is not available only for Indian citizens, but this right is also available for non-citizens. The phrase equality to the law find a place in all written constitution that guarantees fundamental rights. All citizens, irrespective of their birth, religion, sex, and race, all are equal before the law. There shall not be any arbitrary discrimination between one citizen or class of citizens and another. Next, equality before law and equal protection of laws. Article 14. Equality before law. The state shall not deny to any person equality before the law. It means that all will be treated as equal among equal, and there will be no discrimination based on lower class or higher class. The rule of law embodied in Article 14 is the basic feature of the Indian Constitution. Hence, it cannot be destroyed even by an amendment of the Constitution under Article 368 of the Constitution. Now, meaning of the term rule of law. It means that no man is above the law. All are equal in the eyes of law. The concept of rule of law came from Magna Carta. It means that law is equal for all in the same line. Under Article 15, 16 and 17 ensure equal opportunity in the government and ensure against discrimination by the states in matter of employment on the basis of caste, religion, etc. These fundamental rights were, that is from Article 14 to Article 18, were included in the Constitution because they were considered essential for the development of personality of every individual and to preserve human dignity. All people have been given the right to move the Supreme Court and the High Court under Article 32 or 2 to 6 for the enforcement of their fundamental rights. Thank you so much.